Alright, let's get going. I'm going to show you the Move tool. So if you'd like to follow along with me, you can create a new document. The dimensions don't really matter. I'm just going to stick to 1600 by 1200 because it's what I had before. If you've followed along with me up till now, we've been using the brush tool and we've been using different layers, but these layers have been kind of stuck in place. So let me go ahead and create a few layers. And on each layer, I'm just going to create a brush stroke with a different color. So the Move tool is this awesome tool that allows us to move things around. And particularly, let's look at moving layers. So the Move tool is right here. You can activate it with the letter V on your keyboard. It's the first tool in the toolbar over there. And it's important to grasp how this tool works. There are two ways of working with this tool, and I will show you them now. So before you get started, have a look at the options on top. This is very important. This auto select feature is what allows you to work in the two different ways. Right now my auto select is off. So because auto select is off, when I click and drag to move an object on the canvas, it will move the active layer. Right now my active layer is layer 1 with the yellow stroke, so if I click and drag, I can move it around. Note when the auto select is not enabled, you can actually click anywhere on the canvas. You don't actually need to click on the yellow pixels. This is because the layer is active in your layers panel, so you can simply click and drag and it'll move that layer around no matter where you click. With auto select enabled, so let's turn on auto select, you'll see it behaves quite differently. If I were to click on the blue, look what happens. It automatically selects it and will move it around. You might have noticed in the layers panel that the active layer changed. So once you click on the pixel of a layer, it will automatically activate that layer in the layers panel. So you see, I'm using this tool right now just to activate a layer, and I'm not even moving the layer. So you can simply click to activate the layer, or you could click and drag to move it around. So this auto select feature is uh, very good because it allows you to work very quickly moving objects around on the canvas. However, there are circumstances where auto select might cause issues, and you'll need to be aware how to switch back. So turn auto select off. You see now if I wanted to say grab a blue part over here, okay, so this is a situation where one layer is being covered by another. So auto select will make it more difficult to select that layer. So in that case, I have to turn off auto select, go to my layers panel and select it manually, and then I'm free to move it around. All right, so that's the basics of the Move tool, and other videos will show you some more details about it.